Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can easily save location on the Google Maps application. So, firstly we have to drop a pin. To do so we have to hold our finger on the point of interest, and here we have to scroll to the left, and here we have to find Save button. Once we found this button we have to tap that, and here we have to now select the list. We can create the new list using this button, or add some add our places, some here as you can see lists. We can add to all lists at one moment. As you can see, I will create a new list for you. So here we can choose our icon, but it's not necessary. We can just tap some emoji. We can manage our name. We can give it a description. And here we can manage the list type. We can set it as a private, where only we can view and edit, or shared, which is anyone with the link will see the list with your Google account name and the picture. I'll select private, and now we have to tap create. And now as I can see, our element is saved. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.